Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set chat wallpaper from camera roll on WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open WhatsApp. Now click on the three vertical dots on the top right corner. Tap on the settings option. Here you can see the chats option. Click on it. Then go to wallpaper. Now tap on change option in the middle of the screen. And here you can see my photos option. This option allows you to choose the wallpaper from your camera roll. Click on it. After you select one, click on set wallpaper option. Now go to a conversation to check the change. And that is how you can set chat's wallpaper from camera roll. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.